Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you Baingan Aloo di Sabzi. It's very tasty and very delicious. I'm going to use the eggplants. These are long Chinese eggplant. Then 2 potatoes. What I have done with eggplant and potatoes, I cut the eggplants into small thin slices and I submerge into the water so they don't get discolored. With the potatoes, I peel the skin and cut into long thin slices. Ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 2 teaspoons, 1 onion, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, salt, cumin seed. Each one of them 1 teaspoon. Olive oil for our tadka. To garnish, fresh cilantro. And let's start making our delicious Aloo Baingan di Sabzi. Get a fry pan, start gas and keep gas on high. Bring olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Make sure it's all the bottoms are nicely coated. I'll bring cumin seed, jeera. We're going to give like a 10 seconds. This is good enough. Ginger, garlic and green chili paste. And we're just going to give also like a 10 seconds. And now we're going to bring the onion. Mix it well. And we're going to saute our onion. Keep moving. For 3 minutes of cooking, this is how the onion looks. They are nicely translucent. I'm going to bring the gas to medium and I'll bring all the spices. Salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and we're going to mix them well. And we're going to cook our spices along with tadka for half a minute. Now I'm going to bring the eggplant and potato. Mix it well and keep mixing. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly with the lid and we're going to cook for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and we're going to stir it. Cooking for 5 minutes. To start the fan and we're going to mix it. After mixing it well, put the lid again. We'll cook additional 5 minutes. Altogether 10 minutes of cooking, another 5 minutes with the closed lid on medium gas. I'm going to mix it. This vegetable does not take that long to cook. You just have to make sure the potatoes are nicely cooked. The eggplants, you want them to stay firm. The potatoes are cooked, as you can see. So I check this potato. Yes, they're all done. So I'm going to bring good amount of cilantro, which is coriander leaf, dhania. Mix it well again. This is very delicious recipe. So easy and so quick to make. After adding the cilantro, I'm going to close the lid again. We're going to cook 1 minute so that it can soak all the cilantro flavor. Another minute of cooking. I'm going to turn up the gas. I'm going to open the lid. This is super delicious. Mix it. Very nice dish. And I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Aloo Baingan di Sabzi. Eggplant, potato sabzi is all ready. It's a super tasty and super delicious. Please try it. You always can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha and puris. And they really taste well. So please try it. And if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.